How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about running 10 kilometers a day for weight loss. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So in this video, I will share the benefits of running 10 kilometers a day for a month, and I will also go over with you a program that will allow you to progress into running 10 kilometers a day, even if you can't even run 1 mile a day or 1 kilometer a day. So let's go over the benefits right now. Benefit number 1, weight loss. 2/3 of our population in North America are overweight. This is due to the Western diet. Now, our population eats a lot of processed foods that are very high in calories and high in sodium and fat. The foods our population eat is the reason why we have gained so much weight. By us running every day, this will get rid of the fat that our bodies are trying to put on from the food we eat. Not only do I recommend running every day, I also recommend that you watch your diet and aim for a healthier diet that isn't so high in processed foods. Benefit number 2, reduces hypertension. High blood pressure is a major cause of weight gain, and high sodium diets are common with the Western diet. Running every day reduces high blood pressure. Benefit number 3, improves your heart health. Running every day keeps your heart well conditioned. The heart is the most important muscle of the body, more important than your biceps or your chest. You want to make sure that you keep your heart in great condition. I myself personally have noticed that when I run on the treadmill or run outside for a long period of time, such as I notice my blood pressure drops noticeably. I myself had high blood pressure for a lot in my life and had to really keep an eye on it. And running definitely keeps my high blood pressure in check. My blood pressure is anywhere from 130 to 140 over 50. So my top number could use some work, but my lower number, my resting heart rate, is much better because of my great conditioning. I also noticed that I overall just feel better. So again, take your time and slowly progress and you will see results. I will now make a workout plan for you guys if you want to progress into running 10 kilometers a day. The first step is to start off slow. Start off by running 1 kilometer a day. It doesn't matter if you jog the first half kilometer and then walk the next. The point is to get the 1 kilometer in. The next day you want to slowly start adding distance. Over the course of the month, you want to slowly do more and more. This will condition your body into getting used to running long distances. The worst thing you can do is jog 10 kilometers for the first day. You will get completely burnt out and you will not enjoy what you are doing. The key is to do it slowly. So again, first day do 1 kilometer, the next day do 1.2 kilometers, the next day 1.4 kilometers, then 1.6 kilometers until you get to 2 kilometers. After that, you can take a day or two off. When you come back, try to do 2.2, 2.4 kilometers. Keep doing this until you hit 3 kilometers, then take some more days off. Then keep doing this until you get to 10 kilometers. That is how you do it, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.